You must have heard this common saying that not be who first go police station, they win case, right? It literally means that it is not the first person to report that will usually be the right person. Why? It's because the system, the judicial system, will always take different things into consideration, look at the facts before them, look at what the law says, and make a decision. Welcome to this episode of Your Family Lawyer with yours sincerely, Alright Egbe, your favorite family lawyer and counseling psychologist. Right. So today, I'm using that same parable to explain something in family law. That it is not the first person that goes to court, or rather, it is not the person that goes to court that spends more. Right. I know many people will say, oh, I don't want to be the one to fight for divorce. I don't want to be the one to fight for custody. I don't want to be the one to fight for this or fight for that because I don't want to be the one to spend the money. Family and friends, that's not how it works. Right. The lawyer you choose and the amount of work that lawyer is going to carry out on your behalf is what determines the cost. Right. So the petitioner, your spouse who files the divorce petition may actually spend less. If the lawyer is less considerate, the lawyer is, let's say, less expensive, the law firm is less expensive to hire, and the work that person was taking to court was not much. So it usually comes down to the lawyer you're choosing and also what is expected of that lawyer, the expertise the lawyer is bringing to the case, and the work that is required of that lawyer. Now, if you understand this and you understand this clearly, you'll be able to realize that it necessarily does not mean who fights first. Because I know many people who have not fight for custody or who have not fight for divorce. They know that's the next step they are supposed to do, but they have refused doing so because they are expecting, right? They are expecting their partner to be the one to fight, because they want that person to be the one to spend the money, right? Some others are feeling like, okay, let the other person fight. I will not object. I will not do anything. I will just agree. And they will not care to go through the court documents or have a lawyer review the court documents. And so they will just accept rubbish. And at the end of the day, they start complaining regarding the judgment that, how would he have gone to say this? How would the judge say this? How would the judge say that? Like, but what kind of response did you put up in court? So it can't. It can't. It's not necessarily about who filed. It's actually about who hired, the lawyer you hired, and the amount of work that lawyer is bringing to the table. My name is Alright Egbe, your favorite counseling psychologist and family lawyer. You rock.